Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to add or change your site title in Squarespace 7.1. Let's get right to it. First, open up your Squarespace dashboard and click Edit in the top left corner of your site preview to enter the main page editor. Next, simply hover your mouse over the very top of your website until a button appears that says Edit Site Header. Go ahead and click that button. Once your header settings open up, click on Site Title and Logo to access your site's identity settings. Finally, just type your business or brand name right into the Site Title text field. Having a text title is crucial for your search engine optimization and browser tabs, even if you upload an image logo later. Click Save in the top left corner to publish your changes. And that is it. Your site title is officially updated. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.